Berlin is a charming city with many fascinating aspects. Here are some of the enchanting features of Berlin. Brandenburg Gate, as one of Berlin's most famous landmarks, this ancient city gate has witnessed important moments in German history and now stands as a symbol of peace and unity. Museum Island. This island houses some of the world's most important museums and art institutions, including the Pergamon Museum and the Neues Museum, showcasing a rich heritage of art and culture. Berlin Wall Memorial. This memorial commemorates the existence of the Berlin Wall and the people who lost their lives on the wall. Visitors can explore the wall remains, view historical exhibitions, and learn about the wall's history. Vibrant art scene. Berlin is renowned for its vibrant art atmosphere, with numerous galleries, art exhibitions, and street art. From the painted walls of the East Side Gallery to the Kunsthaus Tacheles, you can immerse yourself in various forms of art. Spree River Banks. The river banks of the Spree River serve as leisure spots for Berlin residents and tourists. You can take a stroll, ride a bike, or relax there. You can also enjoy food and drinks at riverside cafes while admiring the beautiful river views. Historical and cultural museums. Berlin is home to many museums covering various aspects of history and culture. For example, the German Historical Museum and the Jewish Museum Berlin provide opportunities to delve into the history and culture of Germany and Berlin. Nightlife and music venues. Berlin is famous for its vibrant nightlife, offering a variety of bars, nightclubs, and music venues. From underground clubs to upscale bars, Berlin provides a diverse range of entertainment choices. Potsdam is a charming city located in the suburbs of Berlin. It is renowned for its breathtaking palaces and gardens that leave a lasting impression. Here are some highlights you can explore in Potsdam. Sanssouci Palace. This palace, known as the Dream Palace of Germany, was the summer residence of Frederick the Great. It is a magnificent Baroque building surrounded by beautiful gardens, making it an ideal location to admire exquisite architecture and stunning landscapes. New Garden. This garden is part of Sanssouci Palace and is a tranquil and beautiful park. You can take a leisurely walk here and enjoy lakes, fountains, and gorgeous scenery. Brandenburg Gate. This grand city gate is one of the landmarks of Potsdam, similar in style to the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin. It is a historically significant structure and a must-visit attraction for many tourists. Dutch Quarter. This area was built by Dutch immigrants and is known for its Dutch-style architecture and charming atmosphere. You can take a stroll here, admire the unique architectural style, sample local cuisine, and go shopping. Royal Burial Ground. This burial ground is the final resting place of Prussian royalty, where many princes and princesses are buried. It is a peaceful place that offers insights into the history and culture of the Prussian monarchy. Dresden, located south of Potsdam, is often referred to as the Florence on the Elbe. In this city, you can admire magnificent architecture and enchanting landscapes. Here are some highlights you can explore in Dresden. Frauenkirche. This church is one of Dresden's iconic buildings and one of the most important Baroque churches in the world. It underwent destruction and reconstruction during World War II and is now a splendid structure with exquisite interior decorations, worth a visit. Zwinger Palace. This palace is one of Dresden's most important buildings, renowned for its Baroque architectural style and beautiful gardens. You can visit museums and art exhibitions here. Aprek. User. Continue. ChatGPT. Aiding precious artworks and cultural treasures. Altstadt, Old Town. Dresden's Old Town is a historically significant area that preserves many exquisite buildings and ancient streets. You can stroll along cobblestone streets, admire architectural details, and explore old churches and squares. Neustadt, New Town. This district is Dresden's modern art and cultural center, featuring various galleries, bars, and nightlife venues. You can experience the energy and creativity of Dresden's younger generation here. Elbe River Banks. Taking a walk along the Elbe River is a delightful way to enjoy the scenic beauty of Dresden. You can admire charming river views, historic buildings, and magnificent bridges. Nuremberg. Head west to Nuremberg, a city with a rich medieval history. Here are some highlights you can explore in Nuremberg. Nuremberg Castle. This castle is one of the most famous landmarks in Nuremberg and one of Germany's most important medieval castles. You can visit its massive complex, admire the magnificent views from the castle, and learn about its long history. Nuremberg city walls. Nuremberg has preserved much of its city walls, and you can take a stroll along them to enjoy the splendid views of the city. These city walls are among the most complete medieval walls in Europe, adding a charming old-world atmosphere to the city. Nazi Party Rally Grounds and Documentation Center. This memorial site provides an opportunity to learn about the history of Nazi Germany. You can visit the remains of the Nazi Party Rally Grounds and explore the Documentation Center to understand Nuremberg's role during World War II and the history of the Nazi Party rallies. Old Town. Nuremberg's Old Town is a charming area with well-preserved half-timbered houses and ancient streets. You can take a leisurely walk, admire the historic buildings, and explore unique shops and restaurants. Additionally, Nuremberg is renowned for its famous Christmas market, where you can experience a festive atmosphere. Nuremberg is a city that combines medieval history with World War II history, offering visitors rich cultural and historical experiences. Whether you're interested in history or appreciate ancient architecture, Nuremberg will provide an unforgettable journey. Munich. Arrive in Munich, the vibrant capital of Bavaria. Here are some highlights you can explore in Munich. Marienplatz. This is Munich's central square and an iconic location in the city. You can admire the new town hall, Neues Rathaus, and its famous clock tower, where a precise figurine performance, Glockenspiel, captivates visitors every day. Frauenkirche. This Gothic cathedral is one of Munich's iconic buildings, known for its two towering spires reaching a height of 99 meters. You can visit the interior, admire the grand architecture, and marvel at the magnificent stained glass windows. Nymphenburg Palace. This palace is one of the largest in Bavaria, renowned for its magnificent Baroque architecture and beautiful gardens. You can visit the palace's interior, learn about Bavaria's royal history, and take a leisurely stroll in the gardens. Bavarian beer culture. Munich is home to one of the world's most famous beers. You can taste traditional local beer and cuisine in Munich's beer gardens, experiencing Bavarian food culture and a lively atmosphere. Museum Quarter. Munich boasts numerous museums and art institutions, and the Museum Quarter is the most concentrated area. You can visit the Bavarian National Museum, Bayerisches National Museum, and the Pinakothek der Moderne, enjoying a rich variety of art and cultural exhibitions. Munich is a city full of vibrancy and culture, with a rich history and stunning architecture. Here, you can experience the charm of Bavaria, indulge in local cuisine, explore art and culture, and immerse yourself in Munich's unique beer culture.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.